Okay, this is a picture of Eli holding his breath. Right now he's snoring. We're going to see what happens. This is February 6, 2009. There he goes. See that? He shakes. He's kind of woke himself up. Okay, now let's listen again. Quiet. In a few seconds he'll probably hold his breath again. You can hear him snoring. He's breathing through his mouth, not through his nose. And he's not congested now. He doesn't. There he goes, I think. There he goes. Saw that? Now he's gasping for air. The breath he took beforehand, he was actually not getting anything into his lungs. Now again, he's only kind of... He's not really getting anything in right now. Now he's going to take a deep gasp in a few seconds. There he goes. And again, he's going to hold it now. There goes a deep breath again. That was a clear breath. And now again, he's going to start holding it. All of these breaths that he's taking right now, he's not really getting much into his lungs. There he goes. Now every time he shakes like that, he's essentially disrupted his sleep. Now he's holding it. That was holding it. He's still holding it. He's trying to take in air. There he goes. Okay, now watch. He's holding it. He's holding it. He's holding it. He's holding it. He's still holding his breath, and now he's going to gulp again. There he goes. That was it again. And again. He's holding. He's holding. He's trying to... There he goes. So this has been 3 minutes and 15 seconds, and you can see how many episodes he's had of not getting calm breaths in. Now, watch what happens when I take his jaw and I just bring it forward. If I can. Let's see if I can. And I open his airway. Just bringing his airway forward. Now listen to the quiet breathing. There we go. Now he's breathing through his nose. And I brought his airway. I'm opening his airway. Just pulling his jaw forward ever so slightly. And now he's breathing through his nose quietly. His mouth is a little bit open, but he's breathing through his nose. Just by hear how quietly he's breathing, you don't hear him anymore. And all I did is gently bring his jaw forward. That's it. Essentially allowing the air to go in through the nose and clearly down into the trachea. Tonsils aren't blocking anymore. I'm going to let go. Let's see what happens. Now he's in a comfortable position. arch eyes still forward a little bit.